Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. Today, we'll show you how to enhance a simple PowerPoint and turn it into a dynamic, engaging, and visually appealing presentation with AI in just seconds. Let's dive into it. Getting started. Gamma lets you quickly create stunning presentations, documents, web pages, and social media content using AI. From your Gamma dashboard, click Create with AI and select Import File or URL. Upload your PowerPoint file, and Gamma will automatically scan and extract the key content. Next, choose your desired format. For this example, let's choose Presentation in the classic 16:9 format. Once you've selected your preferences, click Continue to move to Content Customization. Organizing your content. Gamma automatically organizes your slides into sections. You can control how your content is distributed. Select Free Form for automatic distribution. Choose Card by Card for full manual control over each section. Define the number of cards. Set your target audience. Adjust the tone. And even choose from 30+ languages to create content globally. Want to enhance the visuals? Gamma can automatically add web images or AI-generated illustrations to make your presentation even more engaging. Selecting a theme. Gamma not only structures your content, it ensures it looks visually stunning. Pick from a variety of professionally designed themes, or apply your custom theme with your brand colors, fonts, and logo. Watch our dedicated tutorial to learn how to create one. Once you've chosen the perfect theme, click Generate and watch your outdated PowerPoint deck turn into a beautifully designed presentation. Editing with AI. Gamma makes sure your transformed presentation looks stunning, but you can make further edits by adding more elements like images, videos, and interactive content. You can even make edits as fast as you think by using the AI assistant. Simply click the Edit with AI button and specify the changes you need. Or let Gamma suggest the best structure to communicate your ideas clearly. You can modify the layout, rewrite text, insert visuals, and expand sections effortlessly. To learn more about how to edit with AI, check out our dedicated video. Import it, tweak it, enhance it. Truly that easy. Sharing and exporting. When your Gamma is ready, you can share it via multiple options. Present directly from Gamma with interactive features and presenter notes. Share via link so anyone can view your content, even without a Gamma account. Export in various formats. PDF for universal distribution. PowerPoint to reintegrate it into the platform. Google Slides for Google Workspace users. PNG images for social media. And direct publishing to LinkedIn. You can even customize which specific cards you want to export or share. To learn more about sharing and publishing, check out our dedicated tutorial. Gamma transforms any PowerPoint deck into an engaging, interactive experience, ready to be shared across multiple platforms. Perfect for turning static slides into dynamic, visually appealing content. Start for free at gamma.app and get your ideas out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tutorials and tips.